So hi friends, let's solve 2019 ESET maths questions. So this is the 26th question. Here we are supposed to calculate the derivative of this particular function y is equal to. So here you have to remember the formula of u by v. So here dy by dx is nothing but dy by dx of a plus bx by b minus ax, which is b minus ax into d by dx of a plus bx minus a plus bx into d by dx of b minus ax divided by b minus ax whole square. So if you see the denominators, this is already excluded. So we'll be having b minus ax into plus b minus a plus bx into minus a divided by b minus ax whole square. So this is nothing but b square minus abx plus a square plus abx divided by b minus ax whole square. If I cancel this, I'll be left with b square plus a square divided by b minus ax whole square. So the first option is your answer. So next, 27th question. So here again same u by v form. So dy by dx is nothing but 3 plus 2 sin hx into d by dx of 2 plus 3 sin hx minus 2 plus 3 sin hx into d by dx of 3 plus 2 sin hx divided by 3 plus 2 sin hx whole square. So from the options you can exclude this third option. So you will be left with 3 plus 2 sin hx into 3 cos hx, because derivative of 2 is 0, minus 2 plus 3 sin hx into 0 plus 2 plus 2 cos hx divided by 3 plus 2 sin hx whole square. So if I do simplification, I will be left with 9 cos hx plus 6 sin hx into cos hx minus 4 cos hx minus 6 sin hx into cos hx divided by denominator square. So I'll have this cancelled and I left with 5 cos hx divided by denominator square. So the answer is simply option 1. Now coming back to the next question. So I have a function. I'm asked in which the value is increasing. So here the f of x is x cube minus 3x square minus 45x plus 2. So to find out, this question is related with to maxima and minima. So first we'll calculate f dash x. So 3x square minus 6x minus 45. So if f dash x is equated to 0, I get the stationary points. So 3x square minus 6x minus 45 is equal to 0, or x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. So if I calculate the roots, I'll be left with the roots of any equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, or quadratic equation are minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here minus of minus 2, which is plus or minus b square, 4 square, 2 square is 4 plus 4 into 15 divided by 2 into 1, which is 2 plus or minus 64 divided by 2, or 2 plus or minus 8 divided by 2. So x is either 2 plus 8 10 5, or x is 2 minus 8 6 minus 6 divided by 2. 6 is equal to minus 3. So from these two options I can simply say minus 3 comma 5 is the stationary point. So as per Euler's theorem, so if I see any function f of x comma y, it is said to be homogeneous if it satisfies the equation x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is simply n into u. Here this n is calculated from the function f of kx comma ky, and you will separate ks outside the function f of xy. So n is the degree of function. So the next question, again angle between curves. So here the first curve is y is equal to x square plus 3x minus 7. So slope is nothing but dy by dx at that particular point 2 comma 3. So here I will be having 2x plus 3 at x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, which means I will get the slope of the first curve as 2 into 2 plus 3, which means m1 is equal to 7. Now coming back to the second one, so the second one slope is dy by dx, so y square is equal to 2x plus 5, or 2y into dy by dx is equal to 2 into at point 2 comma 3 2. So here I will have simply dy by dx or m2 is equal to 2 by 2y, or which is 1 by y. So y value is 3, therefore m2 is equal to 1 by 3. Now the value of theta is tan inverse m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. If I substitute here, I will be having tan inverse 7 minus 1 by 3 divided by 1 plus 7 into 1 by 3, which is tan theta is equal to 2. So here I have this. So coming back to the next question, so here again I have a function, so I have to find the maximum value. So 2x cube minus 12x square plus 18x plus 5. So to calculate maxima and minima, first step is calculate the derivative of the function. So 3 into x, 6 into x square minus 24 into x plus 18 is equal to, now equate this f dash x is equal to 0. Therefore 6x square minus 24x plus 18 is equal to 0, or x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, or the roots are x is equal to minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of b square. 16 minus 4 3s are 12 divided by 2 into a. So I have x is equal to plus 4 plus or minus 2 divided by 2, or 4 plus 2 is 6 by 2, or 4 minus 2 is 2 by 2. So the value of x is equal to 3 or 1. So I have two roots, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. So next I'll calculate f double dash x, which is 6 into 2 12x minus 24. So the point at which f double dash x is negative corresponds to maxima, and if it is positive it is minima. So if I substitute x is equal to 1 in this, 12 minus 24 is minus 12, therefore maxima. Now I simply substitute x is equal to 1 here to get 2 into 12 cube, 1 cube minus 12 plus 18 plus 5. So simply the answer is 13. So the next question is area of trapezium. So simply area of trapezium, so it is there are three sides of a trapezium with 6 inches length. So maximum area is simply 3 root 3 by 4 into a square. Here a is equal to 6, therefore 3 root 3 by 4 into 6 square. This is nothing but 27 into root 3 square units. The next question is again related to maxima and minima. So f of x is x square into log x. So here the first step is f dash to calculate f dash x and equate it to 0. So f dash x is x square into log x, derivative is, so here d by dx of uv formula is to be applied, plus 2x into log x. So I'll be getting is equal to 0, or x into x plus 2x log x is equal to 0, or if I take x common, it is x into 1 plus 2 log x is equal to 0. So I'll be having x is equal to 0, or 1 plus 2 log x, 1 plus 2 log x is equal to 0, or 2 log x is equal to minus 1, or log x base e is minus 1 by 2, or x is equal to e power minus 1 by 2. So if you observe, this question is related to stationary points. So I have 2 points, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to e power minus 1 by 2, and the answer is option 4. Next, similarly, so f of x is minus x cube minus 9x square plus 15x minus 1. So f dash x is equated to 0. So minus 3x square minus 18x plus 15 is equal to 0. Or if I multiply a minus, I'll be and divide by 3. I'll be getting 3x square plus 18x plus minus 15 is equal to 0. Or x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. So the roots are x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus b square 36 plus 4 5 are 20 square minus 1. So it can be simply by 2 into 1. So but none of the roots, as you are getting 56, your answers are not clearly visible. So the next is again related to Euler's theorem. So here, if you remember the earlier problem, so I have to find the value of k. So I will be substituting x is equal to kx and y is equal to ky to find the order of the function. So if I substitute u is equal to log of kx whole square plus ky whole square divided by kx plus ky, I will be having the function as k square into x square plus y square divided by k into x plus y. So the power of k is 1. So the order of the equation is 1. So I can simply write x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is n into u, or in this case it is simply 1 into u. So the question asked is n into u. So this is a simple direct formula, integral log x. So integral uv formula is to be applied. So here u is log x and v is 1. So integral log x into 1 into dx is u integral v minus integral d by dx of u into integral v du. So here it is log x into 1 means integral 1 by x into x dx. So simply I'll be getting log x into x minus x plus c. So this is simply x log x minus x plus c. So the option is third. Now this is a homework question. In fact, to be frank, it is a tough question which I'll be solving at the end after yourself trying the question. So the next question is related to integration. So in this question, so the first step is let x is equal to t. So you will be having x power minus 1 by 2 is equal to t, or you have to remember formula integral x power n is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So here it will be similarly, if you do derivative on both sides, minus 1 by 2 into x power so simply if x is equal to, so if root x is equal to t, 1 by 2 root x dx will be dt. If you substitute it, you will be having cos t and dx by 2 root x will be 2 dt into 2 dt. So which is 2 into integral cos t into dt, or I can write 2 into sin t plus c. Now substitute t in the above step. So 2 into sin root x plus c. So the first option is your answer. So this question is related to areas. So when you have y square is equal to 4ax and y is equal to mx plus c. So this is an equation of a parabola and a straight line. So if you want to find out the common area, so the common area is 8a square by 3 into m cube. Very important formula. So in our case, so x is equal to 2y or y is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus c, or simply I can say c is equal to 0 or m is equal to 1 by 2. If I substitute this in this formula, 8 into a square divided by 3 into 1 by 2 whole cube, I'll be getting something like 8 by 3 into 1 by 8 into a square. Here there is a small mistake in the question, so it will be something like 64 by 3 into a square. So if you see the options, only this option matches with the formula. So I am giving this question as homework and we shall solve it in the next class. Now this question is also a direct problem which you can solve it. So I'm just giving you an idea. So I can simply write it as x power 1 by 2 plus x power minus 1 by 2 So if I simply remember the formula, integral x power n is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So it will be x power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. And I have to substitute the limits from 4 to 1. So this will be simply x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 my plus x power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So I can simply write it as 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 plus 2 into x power 1 by 2 with limits 4 and 1. So this can be written as 2 by 3 into 2 power 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2 square into 3 by 2 plus 2 into x power or 2 power 2 into 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 1 power 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 power 1 by 2. So this is 2 into 2 cube, which is 2 cube is 8. So 2 8s are 16 by 3 plus 4 minus 2 by 3 minus 2. So you can simply write this as 16 minus 2 is 14 by 3 plus 2, or 20 by 3 is your answer. So the next question is again related to integration. So here immediately by seeing the question you must get an idea of writing it in the form of 0 to pi by 4. Here 1 can be written as cos square x plus sin square x, and this sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x dx. So I can simply write 0 to pi by 4 into square root of cos x plus sin x whole square dx. So this square root and this square, once if it cancel, I'll be left with 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x dx. So simply this is left with cos x minus sin x, and you have to substitute the limits pi by 4, and so if I substitute the limits, I'll be left with 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 minus 1 minus 0. So and I'll be left with the answer minus 1. So the next question is also a similar thing. So by seeing this question, so this has to become dt. So I'll start with the assumption cos x is equal to t and minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Therefore limits will be something like, and immediately I have to substitute these values of the limits because it's an integration with definite integrals. So here this will be minus 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. So this is simply tan inverse of 1 minus of tan inverse t with limits pi by 2 and 0. So I'll be left with tan inverse of cos x with limits pi by 2 and 0. So with a minus ahead, so this can be written as 0 minus tan inverse of cos 90 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So cos tan inverse of 1, which translates to minus of pi by 4. I'll be getting directly pi by 4. So the next question is a direct question. So the particular integral will be 1 by d square plus 5d plus 6 of e power x. So I can directly substitute d is equal to 1, which is e power x coefficient. So it will be 1 by 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 6 into e power x. This will be e power x by 12. So the next question is differential equation related question. So here you have ay square is equal to x cube, and now if you do derivative on both sides, 2a into y into dy by dx will be 3x square. So from this I will be getting a is 3x square divided by 2y into dy by dx. So to eliminate a, you have to substitute this here. So I can simply write 3x square by 2y into dy by dx into y square is equal to x cube. If I cancel the terms, I'll be left with the equation dy by dx is equal to 3y by 2x, which is your first option. So the next question, in this, if you observe dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. This differential equation is in the form of this particular form. So therefore if you compare, you will be having p is equal to 1 and q is equal to e power minus x. However, integrating factor is given by the formula integral e power minus p dx, but in this is integral e power 1 into dx, which is e power x. Now if the solution of this is simply y into integral factor integral q into integration factor into dx plus c. So y into e power x is equal to integral e power minus x into e power x into dx. So these two gets cancelled and I'll be left with y into e power x is equal to x plus c. So if I see the answers, if I rearrange, I'll be getting y is equal to x plus c into e power minus x. Next question. So if you see this equation, I have to find out the roots of this. So the auxiliary equation will be m square plus 2m plus 3m plus 2. So if I find out the roots of this, m is equal to minus 3 plus or minus b square 9 minus 8 divided by 2 into 1. Quadratic equation roots. I will be having roots as m1 is equal to minus 2 and m2 is equal to minus 1. So with this I can simply write c1 into e power m1x, which is minus 2x, c2 into e power minus 1x. So the first option is your answer. Next, this is a differential equation. So I have to rearrange the terms in such a way that 2xy dx is equal to minus x square dy. Or I have to rearrange dx by minus x square is equal to dy by, I'll keep the x here itself, 2y or y. So cancelling the terms, I'll be left with 2 dx by x is equal to dy by y. So integral 1 by x is dx is log mod x. So here I'll be left with minus 2 log x is equal to log y plus log c. So if I arrange the terms into a single side, I'll be left with x square y is equal to c, which is our second option. The next equation is a family of curves x square is equal to 4ay, x square minus 4ay. So if I differentiate this, I'll be left with x square minus 4a into dy by dx. I'll be having a value as dy by is equal to 0. So dy by dx into a is equal to 2x by 4, or a is x by 2 into dy by dx. So if I substitute the value of a in the first equation, I'll be left with x square minus 4 into x by 2 dy by dx into y is equal to 0. So I'll be simply having x square x into dy by dx minus 2y is equal to 0 if I resolve this. So first option is your correct answer. So the last question. In this question, again you have to compare this with the original equation dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So here p is cot x, q is cos x. So the integrating factor is integral e power integral p dx or e power integral cot x dx, which is e power log sin x, or I can write e power log e base e sin x. So I'll be having only sin x. Now the solution is y into integrating factor is equal to q into if into dx plus c. So integrating factor is sin x, therefore y into sin x is integral sin x into cos x dx plus c. So I can simply write this as 1 by 2 into 2. So y sin x is equal to 1 by 2 into integral sin 2x dx. So it is y into sin x equal to 1 by 2 into integral sin 2x is minus sin 2x is cos 2x by 2. Let's see, or I will be having an answer simply this. With this we end 2019 ESET branch questions.